If you want to create or delete a poll on Discord, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, you can go ahead and click your server and then click the room that you want to create or delete the poll. So in my case, if I want to delete it, I have to create it first. Go ahead and click the plus button on the DMs space, and you're gonna see create a poll, and you're gonna add your question like, what do you eat, right? And then hit the answers right here, eggs, for example, or meats. Okay, this is basically right. And the duration, set the duration for that poll. It can last 24 or 48 hours, 3 days, 1 week, or even 2 weeks. So you could go ahead, and if you want to allow multiple answers, you can hit the check mark and then post right here your poll, right? And as you can see, I posted that poll and everyone will join in. If you want to delete it, click more right here. And then what you're going to do, or not more, the 3 dots, right? And then click delete. And then basically you can hold down shift when clicking delete message to bypass the this confirmation entirely. So I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. And now I just deleted my poll. So I'll turn out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.